now they look dark blue, but I'm told they'll probably change.
Her belly.
Yeah,
She passed so
quick.
Mine are light blue and his are hazel. So they're very, yeah, like dark bluish slate gray. So
Yours were blue too when you were born, David, but yours changed really fast.
See, yelling at your stomach work.
Yeah. She passed her.
When I used to scream, baby.
well, no, he would yell at her and she'd jump inside my
I put
stomach.
my mouth right against her stomach and just started talking really loud.
Well, it worked.
Yeah.
Made her listen. You know she can hear when she doesn't listen in a couple of years. Or she has selective hearing. Yeah.
Well, that's any child, isn't it?
Yeah.
Some adults too.
Yeah. I was gonna say, isn't that any husband? Yeah.
Hey, what is up, guys? Today is Saturday, the 26th. Don't know if Cindy's vlogged yet today. I had to run out for a little bit. Had to take her dad to the airport. He's going home. Her mom will be here tomorrow. I think late afternoon. Cindy's in the shower right now getting cleaned up. So that's cool. She's making good progress. Hopefully all goes well and we can go home tomorrow. If not, we're stuck here till Monday. And I don't want to because I want my own bed back and be able to have the baby at home. Baby's doing good. Last night was rough. Cause she's used to being in her belly, so like all day long when she's walking around and doing stuff, she's rocking the baby, so the baby's up all day. And then nighttime would come and she would be up. So I think she's still kind of in that cycle, because during the day she's like passed out, and then at nighttime she was wide awake, like wide-eyed, looking around. So we didn't sleep last night. I sat up with her pretty much till I started falling asleep with her in my arms, and anytime we tried to lay her down in the little hospital bassinet, or yeah, I think that's what it's called, bassinet, she would start crying after a while. So we called the nursery and asked if they would take the baby for a little bit, but because Cindy is breastfeeding, they brought her back every 2 hours. So we really didn't. By the time we would fall asleep, either a nurse would come in to check on her, or the baby would come back for, I guess, dinner, lunch, feeding time? Yeah, feeding time. That sounds better. But, you know, that's expected. It's a baby. She's 2 days? No? She's a day old. So, guess you can say, yeah. I don't know. But yeah, so I ran home, took a quick shower, took her dad to the airport after that. Kind of stinks. I wish her dad was still here. We had a really good time. We got to bond a little bit more because we never really got to before. When we do Draw Our Life, you guys will see that more and get to kind of realize what I mean by me and her dad have never really got to bond or do things together. So we put all the baby's stuff together and put together a glider chair with an ottoman. We put together the pack and play that comes with a changing table, a bassinet thing. We put together the swing. So it's pretty cool. I really enjoyed my time with him. I'm really appreciative to call him my father-in-law. He's a very great man. He's very helpful. He's a really great guy. So that's what we did yesterday, and he was with us here at the hospital. Got to spend time with the baby, but he had to go back to New Jersey because her mother, like I said, is coming tomorrow. Hopefully we can vlog more today. Cindy's kind of up and about now. She still didn't eat her freaking food. I'm going to have to yell at her because her dad told me that she said she was going to eat it. Because I left an hour before he did so I could hop in the shower. And then he came back to the house to drop off her car because he was using her car. He got to drive the Camaro around, so he was excited about that. He loves that car. But yeah, I'm guessing the baby's at the nursery because she's in the shower and I don't see the baby anywhere. So that's my guess. That's my educated guess for the day. But it looks like somebody else showed up because that pink bag and those other diapers were not here when I left. So yeah, I hope this isn't just shut off. No, okay. Yeah, there's the pink bag and the diapers were not here when I left, so I'm guessing somebody stopped by. I think her dad said her aunt and uncle were coming by, so I wasn't here for it. I pretty much missed everybody that came except for her cousin. Her cousin's husband and their son was here. So that was cool to see some people. But yeah, so that's all I got for now. I'm kind of just sitting here bored by myself. This place kind of stinks because there's no outlets. It kind of sucks. There's like one outlet right there, and all the rest are behind the bed. So it kind of makes it a little hard to do our vlogs. So, but she'll probably do it tonight because she's up and about. So I'll catch you guys later. Peace. So I just noticed this, and it is the baby spoon, which is really cool. It says Holston Valley Medical Center, and then it said mom and baby on the back. But if you look right here, it says baby's name. Well, how do you feel? Oh, she can't talk.
Still a little sore. Especially when I'm sitting like this. This probably isn't the best position. But, I don't know. She's worth it. How can you not fall in love with that face? She's so tired right now.
So yeah, I guess this weekend is all about me. Because she's not participating in the vlogs. So, yeah, but it's only 7:30. Oh jeez. Yeah, but it's only 7:30. Erin's, we thought she was ready to eat, but when Cindy picked her up, when I put her on Cindy, she just kind of wanted to cuddle with mommy, so probably be feeding time soon. They say to every 2 to 3 hours force her, but to get her used to it, but she's used to it when you put the little nipple shield thing to her mouth. She just latches on and gets her meal out of it, and when she's done, she spits it out, and then you move on to the other one. So she's very smart. She's already like grabbing for things, and she kind of responds to her voices. Um, she had her listening test today, and they said it takes like 15 to 20 minutes, but it took all of like 5 minutes because the lady said we must have talked to her a lot when she was in Cindy's stomach, because she kind of already, I guess, knew how to hear. I don't know how to put it.
They were measuring her brain waves, and her brain was responding to sound.
Oh, they were measuring her brain through sound, and anytime it made a noise, the little squiggly, like brainwave thing was moving. So I guess that showed that she heard it and her brain was responding to it. So they said us talking all the time, and I would put my face against. Is she cold? I used to put my face against Cindy's stomach and kind of yell into her stomach, "Hey baby," and miss you, want to see you type stuff. And yeah, you can come out now. We're tired of waiting, but it was well worth the wait, and it's the greatest feeling to be a parent now. So we're excited, and yeah, I don't know what to say. I'm kind of tired. We haven't really slept since for a while now. We haven't been sleeping at night, even before Friday when she had the C-section. Thursday night we didn't sleep at all. In the past couple of days, Cindy hasn't really slept before that because being nervous and in pain and all that happiness. So hopefully once we get home. Erin last night was kind of a pain in the butt. She was wide-eyed and bushy-tailed, but today she's been really good. She's been sleeping, but last night around this time she was kind of already like up and at it, so we think we got her in like a little bit of a groove. But like I said earlier, when she was in Cindy's belly, when she walked around during the day, it would lull her to sleep because of all the movement, and then at night when she wasn't sleeping, that's when she was really active. But she was like that last night, but today she's kind of been alert and awake during the day. I guess it kind of helped because we had some family stop in. I already told you about that earlier, but when I was gone, her aunt and uncle came. But since the baby wasn't here, she was in the nursery because Cindy was getting ready to show. Oh, she was asleep, sorry. When I got back, she was in the nursery. So her aunt and uncle just left. But we got presents, so it's kind of cool. Because I figured out what was in the pink bag that I was saying earlier, and that was clothes and some mittens and some little hats. Which was good because we needed the mittens because she's been scratching at her face. I'm going to have to trim her fingernails, and so hopefully Cindy will be up to do a little bit more, maybe tomorrow or maybe later. Who knows? If not, you'll just see more of me. We'll call it Daddy Chronicles or something cool. But yeah, so I will talk to y'all later. See ya.